फूल तुम पर फरिश्ते निछावर करे. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Welcome to the Tasaweer exhibition here at Jalsa Salana UK. The Tasaweer exhibition is the pictorial history of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community. We have some amazing photographs with some amazing history. Let's go take a look. फिर वो चेहरे हवेदा हुए जिनकी यादें क़यामत थी क़ल्बे. This is the photo of the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam. It is very well known throughout the world, and there's actually a very fascinating story behind this photograph, which was taken in 1899. So when the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam had this photograph taken, he actually sent it to the West for the purpose of tabligh. And it had such a profound effect on people that, for instance, an American lady wrote to the promised Messiah alayhi salam stating that the individual in this photograph resembles Jesus alayhi salatu wasalam. So it's very clear and obvious from history that the purpose behind these photographs was to conduct tabligh. So here we have another image which is being displayed for the first time in the Makhaz exhibition. This image is from Jalsa Salana 1927, and what happened at this Jalsa is actually really fascinating. The Jalsa Gah fell short of space. Hazrat Muslim Maud radiyallahu ta'ala anhu pointed this out to the Jalsa organizers, and all of the organizers got together, and over the course of the night they extended the entire Jalsa Gah, and that has been depicted in an amazing image which is on display right here behind me. So this is the Hazrat Muslim Maud radiyallahu ta'ala anhu section of the exhibition, and the photographs here are of the Jalsa Salana 1939, which was the Golden Jubilee Jalsa, and this was the first time that the Liwai Ahmadiyyat, the official flag of the community, was hoisted by Hazrat Muslim Maud radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Not only did the Liwai Ahmadiyyat go up, but with that the Khudam flag and the Lajna flag was hoisted for the first time as well, and we have these photographs on display in the exhibition.